Last demo, we have explored Gantt chart, which is a nice way to represent attainment versus target. In this demo, we will explore spectral kind of visualization using funnel chart. So, our today's topic is funnel chart. Funnel chart are extremely useful when you want to visualize a under process which has a sequential connected stage and where we need to go. So when we use funnel chart, a funnel chart helps you to visualize a linear process that has sequential connected stages. A common use for a funnel chart is to track sales customer through stages such as lead, qualified lead, prospect, contract, close. At a glance, the shape of the funnel conveys the health of the process you are tracking, how much you are converting from the inquiry you are getting. So it's overall convey the information about the conversion or overall health of the process. So each funnel stage represent a percentage of the total. In most cases, a funnel chart is shaped like a funnel, where the first stage is the largest and each subsequent stage is smaller than its predecessor. So a pear-shaped funnel is also useful and can help identifying a problem in the process. Typically, the first stage is the largest and is known as intake stage. And the shape of funnel chart is like this. You can see its maximum at first stage and then it's going to reduce. After each process, maybe some processing is here, then we are coming when to use funnel chart. Funnel chart are a great choice for many scenarios. First, chart the progress of sequential data through at least 4 stages. It can be used where the amount in the first stage is expected to be greater than the amount in the final stage. And it is also useful to calculate potential such as revenue, sales, deals, and so on by staging. It is also useful to track and calculate conversion and retention rates. It's also reveal bottlenecks in a linear process and it's also useful to track the over workflow for a shopping cart. So track the progress and success of click-through advertisement and marketing campaigns also useful for fun. We also can be viewed by funnel charts. So we are going back to Power BI where we have seen their chart in our last demo. So what we are going to do now, um, first we can add new piece here. Let's give the name funnel charts. So guys, what we need to do first, we need to do go to folder where we want to see the data which we are going to use here. This is the data. So this is the data which we are going to use. This is showing some interview process. We total CV receives and then prospects, then aptitude test and qualified for interview. Then how much new hires are there? It's a recruitment process for any company or any organization. So we are going to use this data. This is very smaller and simple one data. We are going back to the here. What we will do? We will do go to get data, go to text CSV, and we are going to use here Where we need to do, we just need to save it. Recruitment data. It's in downloads. Cancel. So we are going to get it from downloads. Recruitment data is. We can download it from here. So now we had hit it open. Then we will go to here in Power Query. We will click here in sheet 1. Now we can see here that we are having a load, transform, data and cancel. We are very much familiar till now here, so we will just hit load. And in the here, we will simply click here, and first we will see car sales data. Sheet 1 is here. So we are going to view the table of sheet 1. So it's a table which we really want to view here. We back go to the report view and we just rename it first. We are going to rename it recruitment data. Now let's go to the further stages and go to the visualization pane. In third row, second icon is for funnel chart. So as we click here, we added a placeholder added. So first we will increase it. After increasing it, we can see category, values, tooltips, few data added here. So what we will do in category, we will see, we will drag and drop stages, and on values we will drag and drop candidates. So funnel chart is here and funnel chart is displayed. Sum of candidate by stages, you can see 2.2% is the only new hire. So what we will do, we can format it many way. First what we need to do, just go to conversion rate. Here we can increase the size for better view if we really want to do it. Now go to the data labels. We can use different card. We see if we want to change inside center is here, change the position outside in, we can change it, but the better way was inside center. Label contents data value, if you really want percent of first, you can even see like this. Data value, values. Now go to, okay, we have seen it. Now go to the category label. So we can play around with various kind of things. Okay. we can see how we can format it in different way. Now, if we want to change the value here of values, we can see if we want to change the color, we can even set here. See, we go to the conversion rate. If we go to the options, if we are going with values, so we can see we can play around with various kind of things here as we click on it. Color, and now what we are going to use, candidates, sum. Let we are considering lowest value, hmm, deep red. Then we are going to hit OK. So basically these are we were using for values. That's why it's these values are deep red. Now we are going to here again, and we can see fx again for conditional formatting. We can see based on color here, candidate sum, and maximum value is this if we change minimum value by a deep red and add a middle color. So we can enter here minimum value 9. Let's entering it randomly 18, and we are entering it with the maximum value. Now if we hit OK, then there is also none of the change because it's not related to our funnel chart, means these bars. So now remove conditional formatting here, and now we conversion rate, we will explore the conversion rate what it is here. So it is also again here, first reset to default conversion rate, values, category labels, background, display event colors here. And now we are going back with colors. Here we can see, so you can see you can even change formatting by different way. If we are going here, then you will see the change with the same values. If we are using gradient, we are going with same values. So we are going to change only lowest value with deep red and hit OK. Then you will see the change. See how beautiful it is. So we can see how we can modify and play around with few data. So we can use it in a linear process with steps. So guys, this is all about from my side for the funnel charts. Even you can explore some more formatting here in formatting. Okay friends, thank you so much.